So today I want to share how I made my Tom Brown. I made it the northern way. My friend from Jos taught me how to make Tom Brown. We used some northern grains and some other familiar grains as well to make this Tom Brown. This Tom Brown is very healthy. It can be used as a weight gain food. Like, it's very healthy for children, for adults, anybody at all. So I'm going to be showing you how I did this Tom Brown. We've already taken it halfway. It was full initially, but we're taking it halfway. So without talking too much, let's get right into the video. So let me just introduce you people to these grains that we used for this particular Tom Brown. If there's one thing I enjoyed learning during my service in Bauchi in northern Nigeria, it's their recipes. They have amazing recipes ranging from drinks, food, soups, what have you. I was able to learn quite a number of them, and learning this Tom Brown was the best thing that happened to me. Learning this Tom Brown from my friend. Shout out to Benedicta. She was the one that taught me how to make this Tom Brown. So we're mixing the ingredients that I've shown you guys, but mixing them to wash them properly. We have to wash all the ingredients properly because some of them have sand in them. So this is kayeyaji. It's a mixture of pepper, clove, ginger, and uda in Igbo language. That thing is called uda, but I don't know what it's called in English. To wash these grains together a lot of times. The reason we are washing them together is to save time and to save ourselves from the stress. So we used water to wash them at different intervals. As you can see, before we finally had it very clean, like there was little or no sand at the bottom after we were done washing. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section, okay?
People don't even use to wash. You know, but they...
After we're done washing, we had to sun dry them. We had to spread them across to dry properly under the sun, and after that we had to dry the groundnut and the soya bean before adding it to the already dried grains. Do not forget to add your kayeyaji to the grains, then take it to a local grinding machine. Afterwards, you can sieve it if you like, and that would be all. Thank you for watching always.